Just a quick one today, just to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. I hope you guys are enjoying some time with your families, with your friends, with your loved ones. And for those of you that maybe don't have a lot of people or maybe anybody to share Christmas with, just know that we are with you in spirit one way or another, and we hope that you can find some sort of peace and joy. Today, I am not here in my office Christmas Day. I am gone. I recorded this a week beforehand, but I always feel like there's like an obligation to put out like a Christmas video, so I always do. But also, just a little tidbit for those of you that are interested in doing Christmas music in sync licensing. Yes, definitely licensable. If you're not aware, it can be an extremely licensable style of music. The only downside is, of course, you will have particular times of the year where your music will be applicable, and then 10 months out of the year, there's really no chance of any placements. So that's just the drawback of it. But if you're creating really high quality, maybe cover songs of traditional pieces of music, especially those that are in the public domain, reimagining some really cool Christmas tunes, something like that, you can really be in a strong position. However, right now is not the time to pitch your music. I know that we are all in the Christmas spirit, of course, this time of the year. The last 2 weeks of December, not only should you not be pitching Christmas music, you should not be pitching any music to anybody. This is just a dead zone in the entertainment world, and definitely with production music libraries. Most people are on vacation mode. They're with their families. Production is stopped for the most part in Hollywood. Nothing's really going on for the last 2 weeks of December. So this is a great time for you to start getting ready for January 2nd, January 3rd, to start potentially pitching your music to some companies and some catalogs to build new relationships in the new year. Now, if you do want to do Christmas music and you've been maybe composing some in December, January, February, March, still probably not the best time to pitch Christmas music. I would say you want to pitch your music in June, July, maybe August at the very latest. Reason being is that production for Christmas advertisements and specials and shows and TV episodes, all that kind of stuff that's Christmas themed, is all going to be ramping up in production by late summer. So September, October, things are kind of getting ready to be released in late November and into December. So what you want to do is have a really strong set of your Christmas tunes, whether they're trailer tracks or production cues, minimal music, whatever it is. You can literally go in any direction with Christmas music, but you want to basically get the top of the list, top of mind, right before that Christmas demand kind of picks up, because as a library hopefully takes you on and starts to shop your music out to their clients, they can show you off and they can kind of bring you on board as the freshest, newest addition to their Christmas catalog. So just a little FYI for those of you that want to get into that side of the sync licensing business. I personally have done a little bit of Christmas music. I did a little bit of it early on in my career. I didn't see a lot of placements with it, so I personally just didn't keep going at it as the years went on. But there are producers and people that I know for sure that have done very well with Christmas tunes, so it certainly is a viable path. So if you really want to do it, if your heart is singing and really wants to go into the Christmas direction, definitely do it. There's definitely going to be an opportunity for you in 2024 and beyond. So wish you guys all the best. I'll have some really cool videos coming forward as we get close to the new year, and hopefully some helpful New Year's resolution tips for you guys as we start that new year, so that you guys can all be more productive and more successful in your sync licensing career, no matter where you are. So thank you so much for being a part of this channel, for being a part of this cool, amazing community that we've built here, and I'm wishing you guys all the best this Christmas season.